Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. My name is Paulus Aditya Kristianto. I graduated from Javanese Literature, Faculty of Humanities, Universitas Indonesia. First, I will present my article Cultural Identity Crisis in Novel Kadang Surya Mesana Merapi by Fujiriang Prastowo for International University Symposium on Humanities and Arts 2021.
Novel Kadang Surya Mesana Merapi, next I will be abbreviated as KSSM, written by Fujiriang Prastowo and published in 2017 by Dinas Kebudayaan Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta. The story of novel KSSM is about the life of a Javanese Suriname girl who lived in the Netherlands named Trisna. As long as Trisna lived in Netherlands, she suffered a traumatic experience such as bullied in her school just because she is different from majority of her friends. From that experience, Trisna declared herself as Dutch and abandoned Javanese culture as her family culture. Qualitative research is research used to investigate, discover, describe, and explain a social influence that cannot be explained, measured, or described through quantitative methods. In this research, I use three research approaches. First, the approach of literary sociology is an approach to literary works on the social aspect of social change. Second, the mimetic approach is the study of literature that connect literary works with the state of reality. And the third, literary psychology is a literary study that views work as a psychiatric activity.
The phenomenon of cultural identity crisis often occurs in Indonesian society as one of the consequences of global information exchange. Many adolescents in Indonesia abandoning local culture and move to popular culture such as Western culture or Eastern culture like J-pop or K-pop. In this context, novel KSSM show the similar condition to Trisna character who abandoned her family culture and switched to Western culture. From these problems comes the question, why Trisna decided to change her identity? And what factors caused Trisna to experience cultural identity crisis?
According to Lily Wary, cultural identity is a characteristic breakdown of a culture acquired by a group of people who are known to have their boundaries compared to the cultural characteristics of others. According to Lily Wary also, Trisna's culture identity can be formed in two types. First, conformity and internalization. In this type, Trisna deliberately changed values and norms to fit the dominant culture that is Western culture. Example from this type can be shown from her declaration to be Dutch. Second, resistance and separatism. In this type, Trisna showing resistance to dominant culture in her family circle, that is Javanese culture. Example from this type can be shown from her brother who mocked Trisna to keep speaking in Dutch while her entire family speak in Javanese. Trisna, cultural identity form process not in conservative way. According to Robertus Wijanarko, the conservative and traditional identity often passed down through generation and can be declined due to the mindset of irrelevant culture to the times. Inferiority, according to Adler in Agus Sujanto, it is form of inferior feeling that arises from feeling less valuable so that it feels less capable in all aspects of life. Inferiority is common in every human being, but it all depends on how the individual responds to it. Next, Trisna's inferiority can be split in two factors, social and psychology. First, social aspect. According to Damarasuti, social aspect can be a factor in cultural identity crisis, thus influencing the process of determining cultural identity through communication. Through communication, individuals can express their identity when responding to others and vice versa. This illustrated in the novel KSSM based on the way Trisna's friends interact that are discriminatory can be separated from the concept of ethnocentrism in every group of societies. As the example, in the description, when Trisna is still in the school, Trisna often gets discrimination interaction from her friend and mocked her as black, short, and stupid just because he is Javanese people. Trisna's inferiority also showed from her reaction when her boss in NPO office named Lisette has trouble to spelling her last name. According to her answer, it exposed her inferiority to her name with the last statement of to emphasize she is already Dutch. Commonly, people who feel inferior to their name decide to change their name to be similar with the majority, but in Trisna's case, she decided to keep her Javanese name as her identity. This is showing the cultural identity crisis, which is a severe dilemma between Japanese and Western culture. Inferior attitude as a form of cultural identity crisis shown in the novel KSSM not only happened to Trisna, but also occurred to the people of Indonesia, especially the Javanese. Many of the Asian community, especially Indonesia, showed an attitude that too much worship of white people. White skin is often used as a symbol of beauty. For example, the existence of beauty product advertisement by instilling the mindset that white people are beautiful while dark skin is not beautiful. Just like what Lenske and Trisna's co-workers said, many Indonesian people still have inlander mentality. Even Indonesians have already independent, but many of them intentionally or unintentionally place their position under white people or other foreigners. Second, psychology aspect. According to Liz Yulianti, from a psychological perspective, communication can be a tool for shaping personality. With the pattern of discriminatory interaction from her school friends that Trisna received, causing a cultural identity crisis that led to the change of Trisna's personality from Javanese culture to Western culture. The attitude of resistance to Javanese culture and inferiority on Trisna is based on her traumatic experience of feeling different from her schoolmates that to lead to racial bullying that dark-skinned people like Javanese are ugly and stupid. From her experience, she will find out any problem inside herself. After that, she knows and aware of her problem that is Javanese culture. After she aware her problem, she will act in purpose to fix the problem, that is, move on to Western culture. The onslaught of globalization is slowly having a positive impact on the economy, science, and technology in Indonesia. As there is a positive impact, there is also a negative impact, especially in the socio-cultural fields. KSSM's novel makes Trisna a picture of most Indonesia young generation, especially those living in metropolitan cities, experiencing an identity crisis by abandoning local culture. According to Dr. Muhammad Syawaluddin, local culture will experience hybridity and creolization. Local culture that experience hybridity will fade, as well as creolized language that can give birth to a new form of language, as a blend of local language and foreign language. This phenomenon can be seen as Trisna's mixed Javanese and Dutch language, and in real life there is a language phenomenon such as South Jakarta language, which is mix of Indonesian language and English. Final conclusion. The identity crisis experienced by Trisna also affects the process of forming cultural identity through a long process. This long process can be an observation of the surrounding environment or life experiences such as traumatic things. The crisis of the identity of Trisna's character in the KSSM novel is clearly illustrated as the impact of traumatic memories. Social and psychological factors such as inferiority have an important role in the creation of an identity crisis that impact the process of choosing cultural identity. In the process of choosing cultural identity, it is shown that the cultural dominance embraced by Trisna is carrying out daily life is Western culture. The relevance of the research is especially in real life in the modern era, with various legacies from post-colonials in Indonesia in the form of an inlander mentality. The presence of the inlander mentality due to the internal factors of insecurity towards to the local culture that leads to inferior attitudes. This is because there's a presumption that placing a position as a part of Western culture can be aligned with the Western societies, until there's a feeling of superiority compared to those who maintain local culture. Solutions in today's life are rife with social issues such as tribal, racial, and religious discrimination, emphasizing character education early on in school and family environments. With character education, children are taught how to deal with differences in multicultural environments and get rid of prejudice to group of people who look different, and avoid feelings of ungratefulness to lead to an identity crisis in children that can be impact on adulthood.